Before every experiment, there is a hidden reality, microorganisms, invisible yet powerful enough to completely change your results. A single contamination can destroy weeks of work. But science has a solution, quiet, simple, yet powerful, the hot air oven. This method uses dry heat sterilization with no moisture and no steam, only hot air at extreme temperatures. It destroys microorganisms through oxidation and protein denaturation. Sterilization requires precision 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours, 170 degrees Celsius for 1 hour, or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, with timing beginning only after the required temperature is reached. Inside the oven, air circulates continuously, ensuring uniform heat reaches every surface. It is ideal for sterilizing glassware and metal instruments, though materials like plastics and rubber may deform or melt under such heat. Proper use is essential. Materials must be clean and dry, arranged to allow airflow, set at the correct temperature, given sufficient time, and allowed to cool before removal. In silence, it protects science, the hot air oven, where heat creates purity.